How to receive cryptocurrency in your Coinbase wallet. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to receive cryptocurrency into your Coinbase wallet. So to receive cryptocurrency into your Coinbase wallet, you have to follow the steps. First thing, you need to go and log in into your Coinbase wallet. And when you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to the home page. So basically what you have to do is, in order to receive cryptocurrency into your Coinbase wallet, you need to first of all give the particular sender access the sender with your wallet address. So go to receive, and here you're going to select the asset that you wish to receive. In my case, I'm going to go with Bitcoin, and when you select Bitcoin, you could go ahead and press the QR code icon, and then you can take a screenshot, or you could just go ahead and click on share your address and select the method on how you wish to go ahead and share it. When you've done that, you've actually sent it or shared your wallet address. Next thing, what you have to do is you just have to wait for the sender to send you the amount or an asset, and you should be able to get a notification stating that you've successfully received the following amount of crypto into your Coinbase wallet. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.